Hey guys, welcome back to Paula's Imperfect Plans. I'm Paula. On my channel, I share my personal planning and budgeting videos. Today is a planning video. I am planning for the upcoming week of July 24th through July 30th. I am planning for that week in my Wonderland 222 A6, which is my everyday carry. And yeah, this is what goes with me in my purse. I'm no longer use the daily pages in it because I filled them up, so it's just kind of my weekly overview on the go in my purse. So I use a bunch of stickers and make it look cute because I can and it's fun. So that's where I'm going to be planning for the week. I also do my daily list in the A6 or the mini size take a note. So I will show you that in a little bit as well. I'm just going to slide those sticker books back a little bit. Let me get this in frame. So, as I said, this is my everyday carry. I am planning for the week starting the 24th. I'm kind of trying to decide. This is a pretty busy week. I'll put my home visits in first. 9, 11:30, 1:30, and 4. And then 11 and 1. Perfect. No stockings. Yeah, so what are you all up to this weekend? Anything fun or exciting going on your end? We had a really busy weekend last week, and so we don't actually have a whole lot to do this week, which is kind of just a nice change of pace to just sort of hang out, you know? Because it has been a long week. So I use the freebies from Planner Kate to do a whole lot of my stickering. Those are going to be my workouts for the week. I work out 4 days a week is the goal. And then I actually come back in and check them off when I do them, like I did in there. This week, I think I already said, is pretty busy. I have I will be at a work conference this week. I leave Tuesday sometime in the afternoon. It depends on when all my home visits are done and things, but I do have to go check in at the hotel Tuesday night, and then the training is pretty much all day Wednesday and Thursday. It gets over fairly early Thursday, so I'll be home at like a reasonable time. So my husband here is going to be holding down the fort, which we definitely enjoy. I do think, I'm not even going to put it on here, but I am going to I'm going to where I go to donate plasma is on the way to the training. So I am going to stop and clock out for an hour when I get to that town. Take a break, give plasma, and then head and check into the hotel and things. Whoops. My son, whoops, I knew I was going to do that too. My son has like a camp this week, I guess, at church. So he will be doing that. So those are the notes of the hours he'll be there. I have it arranged for the person who's picking up and dropping off for those things. Yeah. I am going to put T-ball down here. I also have that lined up for who's going to take him to that because I will be gone. For this thing that my son is doing. It is like meals and things are provided by volunteers. So I am taking lunch for like the teachers of this kind of kids activity thing on that Friday because I will be back for that. So that is my reminder for that. My husband's appointments. I'll just throw that there, I guess. Said I wasn't going to put it on here, but I might as well. And then I come in and check off all of this stuff kind of as it's happening. I'm just gonna put I'm just gonna be in a training all day. So I figured it would be a good opportunity to just put like some cute stickers down. It's a conference and training, and we get training hours for it and that kind of thing. Usually my whole team goes, but this time it is just me, and so I am like strangely excited to I'm like strangely excited to, and then we'd like go out for supper and we'd get drinks at the hotel bar. I think I've said that before. And I'm like strangely excited to just like get cheap takeout and to get cheap takeout and like go to bed early in my hotel room, sleep all night. So I'm actually not, I'm pretty excited for just relaxing, I guess, for lack of a better word. because I don't know, like they say that, like it really is kind of just going to be a relaxing time for just me. Ooh, order takeout. I will be ordering takeout both of these nights. Whoopsies. Payday, grocery shop. I'm gonna put that on Monday because it's definitely gonna have to be on Monday. Otherwise, it will not be able. Trash day. He's gonna have to grocery shop on Monday because I will be gone Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Gonna put movie night, even though I don't know if it's gonna be a movie night, but it's just gonna be me hanging out in day off. Laundry day. So Monday is like a super long day. When I get home Thursday, like Thursday night and Friday, I will have to really work hard on getting all the things done. Lazy day, planning time, unplug. There, just thought I'd use up some of those stickers to kind of make this just a little bit cuter. I don't actually have, other than just me being gone and stuff, I don't have a whole lot of things that are like scheduled for this week or anything like that. I can put in here, and again, I won't be here to do it, but we will still need the trash taken out, so I will work to remind him, which he typically does it anyway, but that needs to get done. So at this point, this is my weekly spread. So now I'm going to pop really quickly in here. So in my A6 here is where I typically do my daily list. So I start that process by, I go from, I will actually be working 3, 4, 5, 6, probably working until about 6:30. That day, I think I'm coming in at 8:30 because I know that it will be a late night before I get checked into the hotel. That day has the potential to be short because the conference is a little bit short. 2, 3, 4:30. But if I need to work extra hours, depending on how long these 2 days are, I can clock in before the conference starts and work on paperwork from my laptop, or after the conference is over. Either way is acceptable. So those are my work hours at this point in time. I am going to be doing a big packing list here. That's where I need to today create the packing list so I can start doing some of that packing so that it's ready here on the weekly overview. I don't typically put a lot of stuff on there. Just big things that need to be noted. So that's about all that's going to get put on here for this week. I kind of go back, I haven't been in it like at all this week, but I did make myself a to-do list for the weekend. But historically, kind of here's what my daily lists look like. It's pretty, just a place to write a list for the day. So that is what I have for my plan with me for this upcoming week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on your way out. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.